Hi gang, welcome back. Thanks for returning for a new video. Today I am going to be playing again with the Amsterdam Pearl colors. This time I'm going to do the ring pour. I'm not sure I'm going to wreck it. Like the last one I did, I wrecked with the marble. I might do it again, I don't know. We'll see once I get the paints down on the canvas. But what I'm doing this time is I'm using white in with the colors so that the pearl colors have a little more contrast. Fingers crossed this one comes out well. All right, let's get down the canvas and let's get started. Be right back. Okay, so what I've got is an 18 by 24 gallery wrap canvas, taped push pinned on the back. And today I'm going to be using my 5-chamber split cup, and I've got the spinner here because I'm going to pour in a ring pour, but I'm going to spin as I do the ring pour so that the colors will get to all sides of the canvas. I'll explain that a little bit more in just a minute. I am using Amsterdam Pearl Green, Pebeo Studio Acrylic in the iridescent green yellow. I'm using ice blue from Deco Art. I'm also using the pearl blue from Amsterdam. And I'm using Artist Loft in the soft body white. All right, so let's get started layering up this cup. I'm gonna move this sucker out of the way. All right, so my first chamber is gonna get my ice blue. Only gonna need 15 ounces. This split cup is, I believe, 20 ounces. Now we're gonna do the green, pearl green. Do white here in the middle. Pearl blue. So I'm sandwiching white in between the two pearls because I want to see if I can get these pearl colors to be a little more vibrant. Got a little more paint in there than I need, but you know, that's me. All right, now I'm gonna pour right here in the center, and I'm gonna also let the canvas turn ever so slightly. Let's get started here. got this purplish metallic color left over that I'm going to use as my flow extender. All right, here comes the test. Let's open this bad boy up.
I wish I could be strong, survival on my own, but now I'm running out of hope. I need somebody else to save me from myself. A love too precious to let go. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. When I was a child, I thought I'll be alright, but futures can be full of lies. Yeah, it's never easy to find what you want, and if you should find it, don't dare to let go. If you hold on tight, promise you'll be alright. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Should I give it up and hope for better days ahead? Or should I keep on searching for the one I haven't met? Should I keep on waiting for you, baby? Tell me when. Yeah, baby, tell me when. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
All right, I'm very excited to see where all of the white and the pearl colors meet when they dry. If I get my pearl blue and I get my pearl green. because I layered the blue and the green with white in between. And then you have the peacock pearl, the ice blue with the pearl green next to it. And then you had this iridescent green yellow with the blue next to it. So if everything goes well, we should end up getting this green, and this white looking color should look blue. We'll see. I like this idea. I'm beginning to think maybe my split cup is measured out wrong. Maybe because I needed 15 ounces and my split cup is 20, but I almost had 20 ounces of paint in that cup. It was almost to the very top. So, note to self, we're gonna have to do a measurement on that cup. But I don't want to pour it over because I actually like what's happening. I'm getting, and you'll see it in just a few moments, getting the blue cells popping up through the green and through the pearl colors. You got primary blue over on this side, primary of that yellow green over there. But you do have the blue mixing in here, but you'll see cells. And what's happened is I've stretched it out so thin that that's why that blue's coming back through. So let me clean up my edges and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so here is the wet result. I am super excited about this. It was a haul to get that last corner covered because I think my, like I said, I think my split cup is not the measurement that I thought it was. So I will have to make some adjustments for that. However, I did not want to re-pour this because I like this. I'm super excited to find out where these pearl colors come in. You can see these blue cells popping up through the white because I really overstretched it to get covered. So, all right, so we'll see this when it's dry. All right, well, here's the dried result. This did not render the result I was looking for. I thought putting the pearl colors next to the white, I would end up seeing the pearl colors, but I really don't. I end up seeing more of the white. When I bring you in closer, you'll see a little bit of the pearl blue, but I don't know, it just kind of got lost with the white. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for the video today. Thanks for tuning in. So that is the dried piece. It dried really well. I'm a little disappointed that the pearl green and the pearl blue really didn't get to be showcased through here. You can see it just a little bit, but layering it with the white really drowned it out. I really thought that it would, I really thought putting it next to white would actually make it pop a little more, those pearl green and the pearl blue, but it just really got lost. So it's a lesson learned. That's okay. I don't mind learning lessons. That's how we grow. That's how we get better. So, all right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. All right, everyone, I'll see you next time. Have a great day and bye-bye.